Multi-platinum selling hip-hop superstar Drake just officially released and uploaded the controversial song Controlla. Yes, the version that had Popcaan verse and kicked him off, and now he's back on again. Drake has uploaded and released a track on his official Vivo channel. Because of copyright reasons, I will not use a video or audio sample in this review, but you can search Drake Vivo on YouTube to listen to the official song. I think that Drake is either doing damage control or he simply respects Popcaan to the max. We must remember that it was just a few days ago in an interview that Drake said that Vybz Kartel is one of his biggest inspiration, Adi Daddy and Free World Boss. With the backlash and bashing he received from the dancehall fans worldwide, Drake came to his senses and saw that dancehall fans are crazy for real. And if he did not want to be on dancehall most hated list, he would need to act swiftly and fix things. Don't get it twisted, Drake is a shrewd businessman. He obviously knows the potential of dancehall music, and he's going to do what it takes to capitalize on it and develop a working relationship with the top artists in dancehall, just in case he might need some wicked verses or samples in the future. This song Controlla has the vibes of Good Times, a collaboration between Jamie Foxx, Young Thug and Popcaan, only more amped up with a bigger name artist in Drake. Hip-hop, R&B and dancehall fans can get an authentic feel of what a chill dancehall vibes blend with hip-hop R&B track should really sound like. Fans can get a treat of the top hip-hop artist in Drake and one of the top dancehall artists in Popcaan in a wicked combination. And no, this is not Tropical House, which is the official bootleg Sykes name used to discredit dancehall fused with hip-hop and R&B sounding songs. This song will introduce more fans to the similarity of hip-hop and dancehall music, the fusion of two of the hypest genre of music today, a fusion that was more popular in the 90s and early 2000s. This is one of those feel-good mellow vibes, kick back and roll a spliff, drop the convertible and roll chillaxing kind of songs. Popcaan has some credentials on the international chart, with his song The Only Man She Want going number 82 on Billboard Hip Hop R&B charts in 2014, and Good Times being named by Billboard.com as one of the best summer songs of 2015, and now the official Controlla version being released. He is building a credible resume. Popcaan proves once again why he's one of dancehall elite, and with the endorsement from Drake, it gives him a platform with a full verse instead of just a sample to better display his talent and will expose him more to a wider international audience. There is no bigger cosign than that of the elite artist in the biggest genre of music. Based on what I have heard and what I know about music, and judging from the comments, the like and dislike ratio I see on Drake's Vivo page, and most importantly the fact that this song is already number 52 on Billboard Hot 100 chart, I would say that this song has the potential to be one of those songs to give dancehall a shot in the arm that it really needs. Drake, we the fans of dancehall and the dancehall fraternity respect you for your endorsement. We are in a bit of a slum right now, and any international highlight is appreciated, especially one of the highest order. People, what do you think about this on and off and on song drama relationship that is going on with Drake and Popcaan? Do you think that Drake is making amends for his mistake and is mending his error? Or this is just part of the music business? Strictly business, trial and error, nothing personal. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.